Struggling to find the volunteer policy hidden in Gusto? Follow these 16 clicks to get it set up in under 3 minutes. We'll navigate from time and attendance to time off, reveal the hidden volunteer policy, then configure accrual and activation. To get started, open up Gusto. Then head over to Time and Attendance. And from there, click on Time Off. Click Add a Policy. Then click See More Policy Types to find what you need. And select Volunteer Policy. First, choose whether the volunteer time is unpaid or paid. Then pick whether it's a fixed amount or based on hours worked. Go with per pay period, which is recommended. Set to each employee's start date. Hit Next to continue. Then click Next again, moving you into Settings. Type accrual information. Then click Next. And Next again to head to Enrollment. Finally, click Activate, and you're done. Congratulations! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.